Alright, hopefully you guys like bananas.
Are you recording over anything now?
I shouldn't be. Melissa. It's different.
Come on.
Don't do that with every food.
Come on, it's good. See?
Right, I just gave her a bunch. It's sweet. Don't you like sweet fruit? You like that?
It's good.
Do you want more? You like that?
Yeah, he does.
Look at how he's moving his tongue around.
He does? Yeah. Poor babies.
She ate so much better today.
Did you finish off that little thing of avocado mixture?
No, it's right there.
Stick all that in. Little baby. That's really good, isn't it?
Is he digging it?
Yeah.
You like that? Oh man, he's really licking them lips. Look at that! His tongue.